Hi there. I want to show you how you can automatically notify your customers when their license is about to expire. It's going to be based on an existing tutorial, and my goal today is to show you how to set this up in your product. So the first step is to click on the Edit Feature Names for an existing product that you've created, and then you select Automatic Expiration Notification, and then we click on Save. So now we've enabled this feature, but for it to work, we need to make sure that Cryptolens knows which licenses are time limited and which are not. And there are two ways of doing it. Either you designate the particular feature to be the time limited feature. In this case, it is feature 1 that we've marked as time limited. So any feature that has feature 1 set to true will be treated as a time limited license. Or alternatively, you can click on treat all licenses as time limited, meaning that you don't have to set any of these features to be true for Cryptolens to treat it as time limited. So all licenses will be time limited licenses in that particular product. So I will for now click on treat all licenses time limited for this example and click on save. So now we're good to go. Everything is set up. Whenever a license expires, it will send 3 emails. It will send it 7 days in advance, then 3 days in advance, and then on the day when the license expires. However, you can customize this. And to do that, we'll click on, so I'll show you the part on the product page, but we'll copy this name here. And then we'll click on data objects. And then I've already created a data object, Cryptolens expiration notice. That's the name that we got from this tutorial. And here we can provide a sequence of days when the email is about, or when the email should be sent. So in this case, it's the default on the expiry date, 3 days in advance, 7 days in advance. And then we can also click add a comma, and then let's say write 10 days in advance as an example. So you can customize it. A final part is that you can also, if you want to, send a copy of each email to your email address. And to do that, you would copy the following data object name. Go back to this page. And then here you type the name or the email that you'd like to send a copy to. So for example, it could be test@cryptolens.io. We click on create. So each time expiry notification is sent, you also get a copy to that particular address. So this was the way that you could set up automatic expiration emails. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much.